Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede Pyotr from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some classic Tom Petty and Heartbreakers. Mary Jane's Last Dance. Cool. We are in standard tuning, and we don't have any bar chords. This is fantastic. Okay, let's go. The song is in A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got G major. 1, 2, 3. D major. 1, 2, 3. D major. You can also play D9, which is open high E string. Okay, so that's all the chords for the verses. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. A minor, G, D, A, basic strumming. Down, 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 down. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's the chords for the verses, and then for the chorus, we only have 2 parts in this song. E minor 7. So 1, 2, pinky on the 3rd fret there to make it a 7. B string. To A7. That's 2 on D, 2 on B. They also do on the A7, you hear an electric guitar do. It's traveling up. Like that. That sounds pretty cool if you want to learn that. A7. And still playing A in the bass, you go to same strings, 4 and 3. 5, 5. Can even go up to 7, 7. This is the chorus. And the second time, A7. For the verses, you hear them go. Or so you can hold the first finger where it is for the A minor, and let's just lift up 2nd and 3rd finger and go. Okay, chorus, E minor, last dance. guys for tuning in. What a super, super duper song. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Stay safe out there and strong. Thank you.